Today we are looking at the Royal Kludge RK61 60% mechanical keyboard. If you find the video useful, a like would be much appreciated and subscribe for more reviews. So let's take a look around the box. So on the front here we have the branding, orange and black box. Then on the top here, as you can see, it says RK61 single mode red switch, black, RGB, hot swap. So now let's take a look inside the box. So this is everything what comes inside the box. You have the user manual. Have a quick look through this. We have a cable here which connects to the keyboard, which goes from Type C to USB A, or it could be, just take this end off here, Type C to Type C, is whatever you prefer. Keycap puller and 4 extra switches and the keyboard itself. So now let's have a look around the keyboard. So the keycaps on the keyboard are double shot PBT keycaps, which are used in the modern keyboards anyway. It's got plastic casing on the front here on the keys. As you can see, because it's a 60%, it does have this function key button here, which if you press this, say I want to change the lighting mode, I'd press this, and this is turn the brightness down, up. It has these white symbols on it, or like little text places, which they're the only keys that have an extra function to them. Such as if you have a look here, like on the arrow keys, if I press function, that's all. If I press function, that will be like slash key, and the shift will be question mark. As you can see, as I mentioned, plastic casing. On the top here, we have our Type C input port. On the back here, 4 rubber feet, stop it from slipping when it's on the desk, so if I'm pushing it about, it's quite stuck on there. On the bottom here, it's got Royal Kludge there. So now let's take a couple keys off and actually see what it looks like underneath. So I've got the keycap puller tool here, which to use this you would have to get these spreaded, so it could go on either end of the key. Now let's take off, start off by taking off this alt here. What you want to do is you want to try get it underneath each corner and just pull off, as easy as that. Don't pull too hard, otherwise there is a risk of you breaking your keycap. And you just want to repeat this and just take off the amount of keys you want to take off. I'll only be taking a couple off here. Like I said, don't pull too hard. And there we go. So now that I've taken a couple of keycaps off, I just wanted to show you the switches. These are red linear switches. Linear switches are switches which, from the beginning, from when you press them down till the end when they come back up, is almost identical, the force of them, which makes it smoother and faster, which these switches would be more ideal for gamers. The build quality and the switches are very sturdy. So now let's do a sound test on the keyboard. One thing I would like to mention is that the Royal Kludge RK61 does come with the software. However, the software only can be used on the single backlit keyboards, and I have the RGB, so I cannot use the software, unfortunately. If you do have the single backlit keyboard, such as a blue backlit or red backlit or white backlit keyboard, then you will be eligible to use the software. However, if you have the RGB, you will not be able to use the software. And there you go, my friends. That was the Royal Kludge RK61 60% mechanical keyboard. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you do want to pick this up, I will leave the link in the description down below, I picked this up off of Amazon for £63. I hope this video was helpful to somebody. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe for more reviews. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.